Choose the correct option. Let matrix A be 3 cross 4 matrix of rank 3. Then the system of equation Ax equals to B has exactly one linearly independent solution. So what is the condition of consistency of a system? Let system Ax equals to B given to you, and we are seeking consistency condition of the system. It means rank must be same of coefficient matrix and augmented matrix. Augmented, augmented matrix represented by A colon B. This is augmented matrix. So rank of these two matrix must be same. If this is equals to, this condition only consistent, and if this is equals to number of variable, then this solution becomes unique solution. Number of linearly independent solution, you can find number of variable minus rank. So this one variable is 4, rank is 3. So only one linearly independent solution. Option A is true. Any non-singular K cross K matrix with real entries can be made singular by changing exactly one row. The reason behind this, if you convert or reduce K cross K matrix by applying elementary row operation in rank format or reduce echelon form, then last one, suppose this is reduced echelon form, this is 3 cross 3. Rank of this matrix is 3. If you anyhow make this entry or any pivot entry is 0, then rank will be less than size. 3 is size of the matrix, then determinant will be 0. It means matrix will be singular. Only changing one element of the matrix, you can convert given matrix in a singular matrix. In the case of 2 cross 2 matrix, suppose A, B, C, D. This is 2 cross 2 matrix and determinant of this is AD minus BC. Suppose this is non-zero. If you replace element A by BC upon D, then determinant of this one will be 0. It means only change in single entry you can convert this non-singular matrix into singular matrix. Option B is true. If A is a complex n cross n matrix with A square equals to A, then trace of A equals to rank of A. First, what is the given condition or hypothesis of this statement? A square equals to A. This is the condition of idempotent matrix. And we know the fact that idempotent matrix always diagonalizable. Matrix always diagonalizable. You can recall other facts. Diagonalizable. You can recall other fact as because matrix satisfy this equation matrix polynomial. So you can consider x square equals to x or x square minus x equals to 0. So you can consider this as an annihilating polynomial. Annihilating polynomial, and this annihilating polynomial is x square minus x denoted by px. Now factor of annihilating polynomial are x and x minus 1. We know the fact that minimal polynomial always divides annihilating polynomial. And factors of annihilating polynomial are x and x minus 1. Also, roots of minimal polynomial and annihilating polynomial always same. So roots of minimal polynomial are, or you can say factor of minimal polynomial are x and x minus 1. It means minimal polynomial in linear factor, so diagonalizable. If matrix is diagonalizable, its principal diagonal contains only 0 and 1 entries. Diagonalizable, it means contains only diagonal entries, and because of eigenvalues of idempotent matrix are either 0 or 1. So one contribute in trace and determine trace and rank. It means rank and trace of idempotent matrix are same. Option C is true. So right key for this problem is option A, B and C.